sa mga Indiano, guys. Ganito po ang pagkain, guys, ha? Babe, what is that? Good morning, guys! And today, we are planning to have our breakfast outside. And because I'm craving for dosa. Are you craving for dosa also, babe? Yeah! So, pupunta po kami dito sa isang Indian restaurant kung saan sila nagsiserve po ng dosa. So, guys, we'll explain to you what is dosa. Okay? Because maybe it's a new for you, but for Indian, it's their part of the breakfast. So, babe, what is dosa?
Dosa is made with rice powder.
Okay.
Forming like, the dosa batter is making in 1 day prior.
What is it? It's a rice flour?
Yeah, rice flour.
Okay.
And that's only. And there is a urad dal is there.
For us, it looks like a pancake.
Pancake and
Kinda.
no, pancake and this one it's far different.
But it's very delicious. You will see
when
it.
You're coming for the crispy.
Yeah. And guys, Indian breakfast, it's always vegetable, right, babe?
Yeah.
Which is so healthy and so good. So for us, in Philippines, it's like more on carbs and calories.
No, be proud, no?
I'm proud. Okay, but then when I adopt your breakfast, your culture, then I am more proud. In Philippines, babe, our breakfast is sausage. You know that one, right?
Yeah.
Longganisa, rice.
You also will have a rice, but not a rice
but
directly.
it's a powder. You guys are really healthy, correct?
Yeah.
Their breakfast, guys, is more on veg. Because according to them, it's nice when you eat veg in the morning.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Tapos, ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung saan kami pupunta. At makita nyo rin kung ano ang dosa! Ayan, guys, ito. Dito kami kakain ng dosa, guys. Dito sa Basanta Taban Bharat Restaurant. It's a veg restaurant. Babe, please explain to me. What is this?
Oh my God!
Guys, sa mga Indiano, guys, ang gusto nila is, ang first subo is sa asawa. So, ganun sila pag kumakain. Binibigay talaga nila ng first subo. Especially, ito asawa ko, binibigay niya ang first subo niya.
Sana
diba?
all.
Oh, wow! Ayan, ito po ang dosa. Dosa, baby.
Wow, big one, huh?
Yes. This is a dosa. So, guys, ito po yung dosa. Ganito po ang ano nila. May mga sauce sila dito. Yan. Ito, sambar. Ito.
Yeah.
What is this? Chutney. Another chutney and chutney.
Tomato chutney, pudina chutney.
Pag kumakain ka nito, guys, ganito ang pagkain na. Ganyan. Okay? Tapos, ganyan ninyo. Tapos, sobrang sarap. Super. Another.
Let me eat.
What you're having, babe?
This is masala dosa.
Where? Masala dosa.
Masala.
Okay.
This is masala. Dosa.
What is this?
This is some sweet.
Sweets. And this one?
Upma.
Upma. Upma is made of what?
Normally it's made of with semolina, right? Yeah.
Huh?
Semolina.
Samoli?
Semolina.
Okay. Okay.
This
And
is
then,
vada.
Wada, it's like a donut.
Yeah.
Made of?
Rice powder plus some dal is there.
Okay. Well, idli. Idli, it's like a puto, babe, for us. Puto. What is this? Chutney?
It's a pudina chutney. That's a mindi chutney.
Chutney means what is chutney? Like a gravy sauce?
Yeah,
like that?
it's for dipping.
Dipping.
Dipping sauce, yeah.
Dipping sauce. So, guys, ganito po ang pagkain, guys, ha? Ganyan lang po. Sobrang sarap! Dep, do you like the breakfast?
Go.
Ha? Ayan, nag-enjoy, oh. Yeah! Babe, what is that? Chai. Chai means
Tea.
tea. Okay, so why you're doing like that?
No, there is they will serve like in South Indian
Ah,
restaurant, they will serve like the bottom, there is a sugar will be there. We need to mix it with sugar.
okay.
And then our normal nostalgic or traditional way, like
Ah,
this.
here. Okay.
Like that.
Like that. Ah. So guys, that is the chai. Ito po yung tea nila. So, ayan, nag-enjoy na po siya. And that's it guys. We finished our breakfast.
So, you happy?
Yes, I'm very much happy. Finally, craving satisfied.